Grand Canyon National Park. Welcome to Grand Canyon National Park, one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world. In this video, we'll take you on an unforgettable journey through its awe-inspiring landscapes, share tips for your visit, and dive into its rich history and geology. The Grand Canyon's story began around 70 million years ago. Over time, tectonic forces and erosion sculpted this incredible landscape, exposing nearly 2 billion years of Earth's history layer by layer. Stretching 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide, and over a mile deep, the Grand Canyon is a masterpiece carved by the Colorado River over millions of years. Located in Arizona, this iconic landmark attracts over 6 million visitors annually. Let's talk about the must-see spots in the park. Most visitors start at the South Rim, which offers iconic viewpoints like Mather Point, Yavapai Observation Station, and Desert View Watchtower. For a quieter experience, the North Rim is a hidden gem. It's less crowded but just as stunning, especially at Bright Angel Point. Feeling adventurous, you can hike or ride a mule into the canyon. Trails like Bright Angel and South Kaibab offer unforgettable perspectives, but remember, the climb back up is no joke. The Grand Canyon is more than just a sightseeing spot. You can raft down the Colorado River, camp under the stars, or explore hidden gems like Havasu Falls. Don't forget to check out ranger-led programs. These experts can give you insights into the park's wildlife, geology, and cultural significance. Before you go, here are some tips to make your visit stress-free. Plan ahead. Lodging and permits can sell out months in advance. Pack smart. Bring plenty of water, sunscreen, and sturdy shoes. Respect the park. Stay on designated trails and don't feed wildlife. Consider the seasons. Summer is busy and hot, while spring and fall offer cooler weather and fewer crowds. The Grand Canyon isn't just a geological wonder, it's also a cultural treasure. Indigenous tribes like the Havasu Pai, Hopi, and Navajo have called this region home for centuries, and their stories and traditions are deeply tied to the land. Take time to learn about the park's history, including its designation as a national park in 1919 and its UNESCO World Heritage status. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, the Grand Canyon never ceases to amaze. It's a place where nature's beauty and power are on full display, and it's waiting for you to explore. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe Supreme World Diaries, and share your Grand Canyon stories in the comments below. Until next time, happy adventuring!